Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2012 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 43 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 10, so ideal for new drivers, and this is a 3-owner vehicle, having covered just over 28,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is the Metallic Moondust Silver and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. And as we have a look inside, you've got the equally clean interior, so the seats there are in really good condition. There's 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your FM radio and CD player in the centre with Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention. The car also has air conditioning just below the stereo, and on the left hand side you've got your Ford Quick Clear windscreen button, so that defrosts the front windscreen on a frosty morning. And then on the driver's door card you then have your electric mirror controls at the top and your 2 front window controls at the bottom. Being the 5-door version of the Fiesta, rear passengers have easy access into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and also rear passengers also have a cup holder in the centre and a couple of pockets in the back of the front seats too. And opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf still in place. Underneath the boot floor you've also then got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see. Externally the car comes with front fog lights, the 15-inch alloy wheels and rear parking sensors. It's always nice to see when the previous owner fits mud flaps to a car as well, which obviously shows some care and attention. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.